Use these network marketing tips to grow your business. This article can help you go from your goal of a bigger network to reaching ultimate success using MLM. Let this article be your guide. Tip: network marketing can be a game where you fight to sign up the most people. Try leave a beneficial impact from your work, rather than a negative one. If you have decided to embark upon a network marketing campaign, it is important to consider the overall compensation package that is available to you and whomever you have partnered or teamed up with. Being aware of the compensation that is included in your agreement will help you figure out if it is worth the time you are investing or if you should look into other opportunities. Tip: quality beats quantity in network marketing. In order to earn a profit, you must have dedicated, hardworking people in your network that are actively developing their own set of business contacts. Quality is far more important than quantity when it comes to network marketing. You need dedicated workers who can create the downlines that will feed profits to you both. Tip: if your product is unique, it might garner a great deal of interest. People have free will, but give them opportunities. When you re-engage in multi-level marketing, it is imperative that you are able to visualize success as you define it. It may sound cliche, but envisioning the future and how large your network will become is important if you want to make it what you are hoping for. Visualizing a successful future, and how to get there, can make it happen. Tip: be a pioneer when it comes to your network marketing plans. Exercise creativity and look for unique, interesting ways to create value for customers. To help you concentrate on the goals you have set for your MLM business, make a vision board. What do you want to achieve in your business? Do you see yourself living in a mansion or driving a shiny, red car? Tip: when doing network marketing, it is critical that you are an expert, which means you are very knowledgeable about your product. By being passionate about the product you are marketing, your customers will be more receptive. Email databases are the best ways to be successful with network marketing. It is possible to build or purchase a marketing list, and you want it to be as large as possible to ensure the success of your business. Tip: think about paying someone else to carry out your network marketing plans and campaigns for you. You may not have the manpower or resources to expend for this type of advertising. When networking, encourage your contacts to share more about themselves. Take advantage of the various contact methods available, such as social media, email, and blogging, to gather as much information as possible. Learning more about your contacts will give you a position to market from. You now know what they need, what they want, what their fears and dreams are, and can market directly to them. Tip: try using video marketing to get more traffic to your sites. You can make a series of videos at no expense, and post them on social networks. To get the best results, do not make your goals so broad. Even if you have a business plan that expands for 3 to 5 years, you want to evaluate your progress every 90 days. This way, you will be able to ensure your actions are always in line with your final goal. Tip: do not take network marketing lightly, it is your business. When it comes to your networking profit potential, you get what you give. Having a monthly budget is important. This will help you to determine realistic monthly spending limits for your business. Remember that budgeting is important to your business well-being as well as your potential for profits. Tip: when looking for a network marketing company, select one that has products that you are personally interested in. Your enthusiasm and support of the products will be contagious, and customers will be much more likely to share your interests. Do a personal evaluation of each product before you pitch it to others. You could discover advantages you had not thought of before. You should reconsider your affiliate partnership if you find the product isn't up to your standards. While you may earn money selling the product, a reputation for poor quality may ultimately destroy a company. Tip: make sure you test your products before launching a campaign. Sometimes by trying them out, you will find hidden users or higher quality than you had expected. Network marketing should be run as a business, with the same professionalism. Failure is, unfortunately, a common occurrence. Multi-level marketing requires dedication, and with enough hard work, can turn into a full-time job. Train yourself by learning as much as you can, and take advantage of any official training offered by your company. Tip: network marketing should be run as a business, with the same professionalism. One common pitfall is to treat network marketing lightly. If you are not equipped with the right knowledge, then you are bound to be faced with much frustration and difficulty throughout your network marketing plan. Use this information wisely, and you could be on your way to becoming a very successful network marketer. Tip: there isn't a person alive who doesn't enjoy a great deal. If your network marketing program makes coupons available that you can give to your customers, take full advantage of the opportunity. There are many ways to give these coupons out, so get creative. People tend to gravitate toward products that are offered at a discount.